Good morning students. My name is Rupali Rajawat. I am your science teacher. Now today we will study or we will continue this chapter number 8. The name of this chapter is Surrounding Affect the Living. In this chapter we have already completed the definition of weather, definition of atmosphere, climate, maximum minimum temperature. Now today we will study the factor affecting on climate. Two or three factor I already discussed with you during your live classes. Now today we will start from the amount of sunlight. The climate, this is one of the important factor on which the climate of a place is depend. Means if the place receiving a high amount of sunlight, then the place are having other than the place is having a hot climate. If the place receiving a low amount of sunlight, then that place having a cold climate. Now wind is also one of the very important factor on which the climate of a place is depend. Means a place which receiving a cold wind or the speed of the wind is high, then the climate is become low. And if the wind is blow with a slow speed and it contain a less amount of humidity, then the climate of that place is become hot. Now availability of water. The presence of water in the soil and air also affect the climate. Means if the soil are contain a good amount of water or the soil having or the soil hold a good amount of moisture, then the place and then the climate of that place is become cold. If the soil does not absorb any kind of water and it become dry, then the climate of that place is also become very hot. So these are the factors which we discussed today on which the climate is depend. Now the next topic is climate and adaptation in animal living in a different region. Means the different kinds of animal are living in a different kinds of places from which the climate is become different from one place to another place. Means जो हमारे अलग अलग काइंड के एनिमल होते हैं, they are living on the different kind of places which are having a different kinds of temperature. Now I will start from the according to the climate, we can easily identify the following place is broadly defined as a climatic region on the earth. On the basis of a climate, we can easily identify that the place is hot or that the place is cold. Like polar region, we already know that polar region means which the place having a very cold climate. Now tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest is a kind of a region from where the cold and hot temperature is changes time to time. Means the place the tropical rainforest having a moderate temperature or moderate climate. Now dry sandy desert, बेटा नाम से ही पता चला dry sandy desert means the place which are having a hot climate. Now the polar region, first we will study about the adaptation. What is adaptation? The body feature and the habit that help to survive the organism on a particular place is known as a adaptation. Means the animal which are living on a particular place having a different body features and having a different habit which is suitable for that place. Okay? Now the first one is a polar region. Polar region is a kind of place which having very cold climate or which are having very low temperature. That's why the animal which are living on that place, polar region, they almost having fur on their body. These fur protect that animal from the cold. When the animal is feeling very cold, then at that time their fur on their body help them to feel hot. Now our earth has a two polar region. In our earth there are two kinds of polar region are present. The first one is a north pole and the second one is a south pole. Okay? Now the region around the north pole is named as a Arctic. The polar region which is on the side of a north pole, the name of that polar region is known as a Arctic region. Okay. Now the south pole is Antarctica and the polar region which is situated in the direction of south, that polar region name is Antarctica. Okay. The north one is the Arctic and the south one is the Antarctica. Both are the polar region. First one is the north direction, that is Arctic, and the second one is the Antarctica, that is situated in the south direction. Now both these regions are covered with the thick ice and snow, and extremely cold all over the year. Means these are the kind of the places which never having any kind of summer season. Okay, the temperature of that place is always cold, means because they are the polar region and the thick ice sheet is covered that place completely. Now the when it is night, the temperature may below -37 degrees Celsius. Means these are the places from where the temperature is become in the minus degree. The minus degree in the night, the temperature is -37 degrees Celsius, means too much cold. At this temperature, your body is become freeze. Now during the day, the temperature may rises but remains below 10 degrees Celsius. In the daytime, the temperature is below 10 degrees Celsius. मीन्स वहाँ का टेम्परेचर हमेशा कैसा रहता है, लो रहता है. दैट्स वाई द क्लाइमेट ऑफ दैट प्लेस इज ऑलवेज कोल्ड एंड दैट प्लेसेस आर नोन एज अ पोलर रीजन. नाउ in that places, the kinds of animal which are living in that places, the first one is a आपका आ जाता है पोलर बियर. ठीक है. द सेकेंड वन इज अ पेंगुइन. These are the kinds of animal which are having the body feature to survive on that place, and this is also known as a adaptation. I already told you what is adaptation. Adaptation means the habit or the features of an organism living on that particular place is known as a adaptation. Okay, now turn the page everyone and take out page number 122. Adaptation in polar bear means what are the body feature which is present in the polar bear, so that's why he is able to survive on that very cold places. Now the first one is a polar bear is a big animal that has adapted to the extremely cold Arctic life. If it feed on the fish and the seal living in the ice cold water under the snow. Some of the adaptation are, beta polar region is a kind of animal which is able or which are able to survive on very cold places or which are able to survive in a polar region. Polar bear हमें कहाँ पर मिलते हैं? In the north direction, means in the Arctic polar region. We have already learned that the Arctic polar region is situated in the side of a north. Now the entire body of a polar bear, the entire body of a polar bear and some other animal covered with the two layer with thick fine fur, means the fur which is present on the body of a polar bear. This is a two-layer fur. Okay. Now this fur trap the air and keep their body warm. This is the kind of a fur or this is a kind of a hair which is present on the body of a bear which protect them from the very cold temperature and keep their body warm. Okay. Now the second one is a polar bear have broad paws and prevent feet from sinking in the snow. Sharp curve and claws are used to spike and they help the animal in walking in the snow. Beta polar bear is a kind of animal which are having the padded feet from which he is able to move from one place to another place without slipping on the snow, and their claws are very very sharp which help them in hunting. Okay. Now fat stored in the body of the bear allow it to survive for a long time without food. Beta polar bear or the polar bear always follow the hibernation process. Hibernation process means the polar bear are able to survive without food for a long time, and they are easily survive 1 to 4 months or 1 to 6 months without food because they are repeating the hibernation process. Hibernation process means the animal can survive without food and without water for a long time. So polar bear are always follow the hibernation process. If he eat the food once, then he is able to survive for a long time without food. Now the sense of smell of the animal is very strong with which it locates the fish under the snow. Means the polar bear having a very good sense, so it is easily identify the fish or it is easily identify the small animal in the snow. Now the external ear in a small hands, it is does not cold, so it does not catch cold. the ear of a polar bear, see in the picture, the ear of a polar bear is very small, that's why the cold is not enter in their ear. After that it has a sharp sense of hearing. Beta, he is having a very small ear but the hearing power is very strong. ये बहुत ही आसानी से बहुत ही कम से कम आवाज़ भी इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है और इजीली सुन भी सकता है. नाउ आफ्टर दैट, विदाउट फर ऑन इट्स बॉडी, कैमोफ्लेज विद द वाइट स्नोई सराउंडिंग, एज अ रिजल्ट द बियर इज नॉट इजीली स्पॉटेड बाय इट्स एनिमी. वाइट फर ऑल्सो एक्ट एज अ इंसुलेटर अगेंस्ट द कोल्ड. मीन्स insulator means the bad conductor of a air. The fur is a bad conductor of a air, that's why the air is not enter in the body of a bear. That's why the fur protect the bear from the cold temperature and keep their body warm. Camouflage means white fur are also helping the bear to do the camouflage process. Camouflage process means the body mixed with the surrounding. He is having a white fur on their body and the snow are also is in white. The snow is also in a white color, so that's why when they are hunting or when the polar bear is hunting on any kind of animal, then at that time he is doing the camouflage process, due to which the enemy is not identified that the polar bear is coming near to the स्मॉल एनिमल. पोलर बियर आपकी इजीली आपके जो स्मॉल एनिमल्स होते हैं दे आर नॉट इजीली आइडेंटिफाई कि पोलर बियर उनको शिकार करने के लिए आ रहा है. नाउ आफ्टर दैट दिस टॉपिक इज completed here. If you having any kind of doubt in this topic, then you will allow to ask during your live classes. Okay, better you have to must watch this video. In the next class we will study about the adaptation in penguins. Okay, thank you.